just a little bundle of love. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and today we're gonna get right into it. For those of you who are already subscribed to me, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are skincare hacks. Talks about maca root, hair, protective styles for 4C hair, how to grow longer 4C hair, product reviews, and just how to glow the heck up in general. All right, let's get into it. Now, my skin for the most part has been doing much better than prior times. Okay, so I'm feeling good and I'm feeling great. I watched 3 videos: Audrey, Doro, and Namisha's video, rubbing their green tea ice cubes on their face, and I was like, does it really work? Like, is it really a miracle worker? But green tea is known to help with anti-aging. You can drink green tea, of course. And not only green tea, many teas are good for not only skin, but hair, all of that. So I said, you know what? Green tea is something that I might need to go ahead and try. And not only that, during this time, we're just trying to find the most affordable, easiest hacks to glow up. So let's get into it. We're gonna use the Kojic today as more of a spot treatment, just getting the dark marks, the little pesky marks that I'm trying to really just totally get rid of. And then we are going to cleanse with coconut milk. But to my coconut milk, I am adding my maca extract, which I've talked about in a previous video. I also sometimes use as a face serum. But it is very potent. It's Peruvian, organic, natural, coming straight from Peru. You can also consume it. Most of my channel is about the maca root. I now apply it to my face as well. It prevents sun damage. Great, great product in general. So let's get into it. So I will be using the Kojic soap as a spot treatment before cleansing, okay? And you just literally, I don't know why I did my lip like that. I don't know why I did that. But anyway, you are going to apply the soap, kind of rub it in, but I don't want to do too much, to the places that I have hyperpigmentation, right? We're gonna set that on down. And I still have some on my hands. Rub that Kojic in. And we are going to leave that on 2 minutes. Again, I am only using this as a spot treatment, trying to lighten the dark areas, the dark spots, okay? So I'm putting it directly on my blemishes. And now after 2 minutes, we will rinse it off and then go into the cleansing with the maca root coconut milk combination. Like I said, I'm trying to use a bunch of like more natural products and oils and whatnot on my skin and hair, just to see how it really looks, if it really does make a difference. But I already know that it does, just to show you all though that the glow up is gonna be for real, okay? So after 2 minutes, I go ahead and I rinse it off. So you already know, like I've stated, about my maca root. A lot of you already know because you've been watching me for a minute. This is what it looks like. This is the larger bottle. Get It How You Live Vitality Maca Liquid Extract. And put this into my coconut milk. I got a little bit of maca root on the edge of this, so please disregard. But I put it in here, my coconut milk, okay? And then I just apply this to my face. So let's do it. It is messy, I'm not gonna lie. But this has my skin so smooth, the coconut milk, y'all. Again, these natural things. We'll say this, it's crazy how breaking the bank, just testing all these natural things. I feel like the glow up is supreme with these natural products. Not a whole bunch of expensive products where I'm spending all my money on these things. And that's not to say that a lot of these products don't work. I'm not saying that. But you use these natural things, a lot of the times you're taking out chemicals that are placed into a lot of the products that you buy, and you're not breaking the bank. So it's a win-win situation. And of course, like I said, with a lot of medical grade skincare, a lot of that stuff does work, But if you can use the natural stuff and glow up, child, use the natural stuff and glow up. So I'm just washing with this, my maca root and my coconut milk. That's it. And I am going to rinse this off. As I've shown in my skincare video before, I then use Heritage Store's Rosewater Facial Toner. I really love this stuff. It has hyaluronic acid. It's alcohol and oil free. I just spritz my face. Ooh, that feels refreshing. Yum. Ooh. Some got on my tongue, but it honestly tastes good. Okay, so after doing that, we are now going to get into the green tea cubes, the most exciting part, the part that you've been waiting for. Leg up. Isn't this the cutest green tea cube you've ever seen? Just a little bundle of love. No, I'm just joking. I wet this. So it is not going to stick to my lips or skin, although it'll probably make your lips a little plumper, y'all. Ciao. Anyway, feels good. Oh yes. Oh my. Oh my. Low-key wanna rub this all over my body though. Oh, it's like dripping into the trash can. Ooh. That was really cold. That was really cold. And now that my skin is dry, this is the final step, moisturizing. And again, for those of you who've been watching me, you already know that I am now again into this whole natural thing. I am using a mixture of mango and shea butter. Just broke off a tiny piece, and I am going to rub it all over my skin. I usually do like the T-zone area, and it's already melting, right? It's literally already dissolving into my hands, this tiny piece. And then I just rub it in. And I put it on my lips as well. Oh. And I do have oily skin. Combination, but I feel like it's more on this oily side. So that little bit of mango and shea butter goes a long way. End of day one. Lego. So this is day 2. I have already cleansed my face and all of that rhubarb. So now again, I am going to apply the cube to my face, and it is now starting to freeze my hand, so let go. Ooh. I have a tiny pimple on my chin, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if it does anything, because green tea is also said to help with inflammation. Oh, I didn't tell y'all what brand. I got this from the 99-cent store. So there is that. Of course, I am going to dry. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry with this one, or maybe I'll just let it air dry. Okay, y'all, so I don't see like a huge difference, but what I can say is that I feel as though I look more awake. My eyes feel brighter, they look brighter. My under eye isn't as puffy. I feel like my skin just feels smooth. It feels really nice. It feels like I went to a spa and got a facial. Gonna go ahead and get into it again. Like I said, I don't know that there's a noticeable difference physically like that, but my skin feels good and I feel like it's looking good. Ooh, you gotta move quickly or your skin, you will be freezing, okay? We're back at it again with the green tea. Uh-oh. Bomba clot. Me drop me green tea. Me I gotta use it still. Okay, y'all, and now the last day. The last day of using this green tea. My little green tea heart, from my green heart to yours. Wait, that didn't sound right. From my green tea heart to yours. I even wore my neon green top for the occasion. Okay, let go. Coolins. Oh, Coolins.
Green tea, give me some juice, please. Give me some juice. Cause we trying to blow up. Forever young, culture in these
Final verdict is that I do feel like this is something I'm definitely going to continue with, and I feel like my skin is glowing more. Not that my skin ever, sometimes my skin be looking dull, I'm not gonna lie. And I feel like when I first started it, when I first did this whole journey, my skin was looking very dull, right? Now mind you, I have moisturizer on my face, fresh moisturizer and whatnot, on my Big Lips Bubble Lips color lip gloss. Okay, but still, my skin is glowing more than it was the first day. When I first started it, the skin wasn't glowing as much. I feel though that this pimple on my chin is a little bit bigger than it was. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought to go away. Would I continue to use this green tea though? I will most definitely continue to use it, because similar to how my skin feels after I use the sea moss, that's how my skin feels after using the green tea. Super soft, super smooth, and it looks good. And I feel like I just look rejuvenated, refreshed, and an overall youthful glow. Okay, so I will continue to use it. I do recommend it. And this has me wanting to use other teas, other ice cubes, to see what will happen with my skin, because I like the look of it. I really like the look and feel of it. I am impressed, and it really does work. It's not just hype. Now mind you, like I said, I still have that pimple, but overall, the way that my skin feels, how I feel rejuvenated, and honestly, the green tea, putting it on my skin, has the same effect of lavender as well. When you smell lavender, when you drink it, when you use it, you feel just rejuvenated and like ready to go. That's how I feel after having had used this green tea on my skin. Get into it, people. It doesn't just give people energy and whatnot to go out and about, but it also energizes your skin. Let go. Yeah, so I think the combination of my skincare routine and the green tea has really done something, and I like it. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. I will most definitely be back with more. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. Yeah.